Hello kids, let's draw and learn some 2D shapes. Black color, it's a dark black color. Now start. A square, a square, circle, circle, triangle, triangle, star, star, heart, heart, pentagon, pentagon. Learn some colors. It's a kid's color. Pink, forest green, sky blue, purple, light green, red, orange, blue, gray. Look at this olive green color, olive green color, ultramarine color, ultramarine color, warm gray color, warm gray color, salmon pink color, salmon pink color, old red color, old red color, deep yellow color, deep yellow color. Now learn 2D shapes. A square, circle, triangle, star, heart, pentagon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.